Many people and organizations try to help with the overpopulation of dogs and cats. I'm afraid as much money as you throw at it, the only way to fix the problem is to have free spay and neuter clinics to stop them from reproducing. As many as you try to take in, there's just no way. They can reproduce so fast. There just isn't enough money, no matter how many donations come in, to save them all. My idea is to open a small business that can grow. I know just where to start with this business. It can grow and change into many different things as far as the imagination can take you. It would be business that would be owned by cats and dogs. The profits from these businesses would go towards opening free spay and neuter clinics. I believe that people would purchase their products from these businesses once they find out that it's going to charity. Wouldn't you rather buy your products knowing that the money is going to charity instead of some big corporation? They were just going to stick the money in their pockets and buy yachts and go on fancy vacations and live in big, huge homes. These kitties have no homes. They need to own their own business, and that is my goal.